Hi everybody, my name is Peter Taraka. I am the manager of aircraft restoration here at the Intrepid, and today we're going to be talking about our F4D Skyray and its auxiliary fuel tanks, or what are called in pilot jargon, drop tanks. The Skyray was not designed initially with in-flight refueling capability. So it was Intrepid mechanics who came up with the idea to install an in-flight refueling probe on one of the drop tanks carried by the airplane. When we obtained these tanks, they did not have this probe installed. So modifying one of the tanks to put this probe on, that was part of our renovation process. Making this up entailed studying photographs, essentially, and seeing what sizes were required. So this was the part that I initially had extending from the nose of the tank. But after looking at it a few times, I said, wow, that looks a little too beefy. After referring to the installation on the Skyhawk downstairs, I noticed this tapered part that comes down off the probe to a smaller filler tube coming out of the tank. So my challenge then was, well, how do I fabricate this tapered part? Believe it or not, I used a coffee cup as a mold to produce a fiberglass tapering collar, which it was an ideal mold for that. Gave me absolutely accurate mimicking of what was on the Skyhawk downstairs. I did the black and gold stars. The probe itself wore an interesting black and gold sort of barber pole display. I made use of my art school training to put that on. That's the fun part of the job. For more behind-the-scenes videos, visit intrepidmuseum.org.